Welcome to Mora FC. It is what I'm going to teach you the perfect way, the professional way, the right way how to fix your sleeve on your top, fixing your sleeve on the shoulder on the top. And I'm going to use this diagram to explain to you for you to really get the main thing, how to fix your sleeve on your top. It is what it is. So let's get started. You have to let your top lay flat like this. After joining the shoulders together, you have to let and make a notch or a mark. That notch that we make is very important. And when you look at the armhole, we came in ½ inch. That also is very, very important. When we are cutting the sleeve, you can see that we came in ½ inch on the sleeve side. That one is also very important. So that part, how to face, that will have to be the front side of it. And that part, other part have to be the back. So the ½ inch that we cut from the sleeve front and the ½ inch that we cut at armhole have to meet each other. They have to be the front side. So on your sleeve, you also have to make a notch at the center. It's very, very important you make a notch. So the notch that we made, it is a guide that tells you where the top of the sleeve meets the shoulder on the armhole seam. It is a balance point. Each placement on the armhole seam determines how the sleeve will hang. It's called a perfect point. It determines how your sleeve is going to hang. It determines how the sleeve is going to. You see, sometimes you're going to see a sleeve be hanging there. You're going to think that, yeah, that sleeve is being properly fixed. Until you wear it, that's when you're going to know that the sleeve has been wrongly fixed. So when you look at figure 1, the sleeve has been wrongly fixed. That's why you're going to feel this bulky at that part. And when you fix, and it's figure 2 also, the sleeve has been fixed wrongly. You can see that it goes forward, because the notches don't match. And when notches don't match, it's either it's go forward or it's pulled back. By figure 3, when the notches matches each other, the notches that I made, when they matches each other perfectly, you're going to see that it will hang there perfectly. So when you wear it, you're going to feel comfortable when wearing it. So you have to let the notches that I made, you saw me doing it, you have to match it let it match perfectly. And we're going to start sewing from the notch that we made. From that point, then we continue. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notifications. I post videos every Sundays and sometimes on Monday. If I couldn't able to post it on Sunday, please do subscribe. You like this video, give me a thumbs up, and you keep on going. It is what it is. I'm telling you, the notches are very important too. It's called the perfect point. The perfect. So after sewing from that point, then you just have to come back at that point, the same place, and just continue sewing it so that you can feel comfortable. Many of you will buy a clothes and you're gonna see that the sleeve is perfectly hanging there good. You can see it's good hanging there perfectly, but when you wear it and you're gonna start giving you a problem, you are not feeling comfortable at the sleeve side. You can see that the sleeve has been some bulky at that place. That means the sleeve has not properly fixed. So to fix the right sleeve for a client, this is how you're supposed to check. This is what you're supposed to do to get the perfect sleeve fix for any top. Any top. This is the right way to go by it. It is what it is. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. So whatever you did here, whatever we done, we're gonna repeat the same thing to this side. You're going to repeat the same thing to the side. You make a notches, you make sure you check the center, then you make a notch, then you make a notch at the sleeve as well, then you make the notches, you place it on each other perfectly, then you're done. Thank you.